Everybody, in my last video my iPad fell and I done 2 massive slime bubbles, so this was my 3rd slime bubble today because I just hopefully it won't fall. I need to stop leaning on my desk. Well, at least I made a little slime bubble. I need to stop leaning on my desk, guys. It's so annoying. When I lean, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. This is like my white, red and silver sparkled slime, and no, jiggly sparkly slime. That's what I should say. Jiggly sparkly white slime. And it feels like it's crunchy when it's not. Oh my god, the bubble's getting bigger. The bubble's getting bigger. The bubble was getting bigger, bigger. Oh yes. No one's even in the bathroom. Feels like it's jiggly slime when it's not. No, it feels like it's crunchy slime when it's actually not. I'm not going to move this little desk. Oh, I thought it would go over it like it did earlier when my video stopped filming. That was sad. You let me down, you stupid slime. It's not stupid, I love slime. Oh my god, it went smaller and now it's getting bigger and bigger. It's getting bigger. Oh my god, actually went over it and then it just collapsed on me. Wow, okay, nice. I love this slime. I just got a little slime on me. This slime is actually sticky, but it hardly gets even messy. You just have to keep pressing your fingers in it. Like, this is so cool. Damn it. Slime's a bummer. I don't know if I've already said that in this video, but you'll notice that oh my god, that's literally on the edge. You actually quite notice, I think, that I say it's a bummer a lot. I don't know why, I just get these new words off Instagram, YouTube, so I just tend to use them in my YouTube account to get people saying, get people less shy. Even though how can it's a bummer make people less shy, but getting to say like more words like is getting them less shy, because like it's helping them say words. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. So anyway, because I don't know what I'm saying, I'm just gonna leave that. In the night, yes. Oh, it broke. Oh my god, my hand just literally slipped out of that. Oh my god. Wait guys, oh my god, it just sticked. Oh, it won't do it any. Oopsie, I got it. Oh, stuck to me. This is pretty sticky. And oh yeah, guys, if you ask for my slime, then sorry, you can't have it. My mum won't let me. 2, I won't let anyone. 3, I don't want to give it away. 4, it's pretty expensive to get as much as the things that you need, like to make fluffy slime, like I actually attempted to make. You've got to have shaving cream, because like that makes it more fluffy. I want to get some shaving cream. So if I make slime at my dad's, I'll probably do a video on Dog World on slime. Oh yeah, if you don't know my Instagram accounts, so my one here is GSDlover123. My phone Instagram account is Roxy and Thunder. My iPad at Dad's for my account is DogCareCaitlin123, and my Roxy's account is RoxyBest123. So there's lots of 123s in there. And Imogen's Instagram account is Immy Millie and Imogen Jane Munton. David's account is David Munton and Cupid Stunt 74, I think. My brother's account for here is Liverpool, all Liverpool, I think. My brother's account at my dad's is Aaron Fawkins. My brother's account for his dog, Funda, is Funda 967, I think. And I'm not going to say my mum's because she won't want anyone she don't know to follow her. Yet she won't even follow me when she knows who I am. So yeah. I'm actually getting pretty good at the slime bubbles now because I've been doing them off camera for a little. Actually, so someone actually films me. Because someone's on my bed filming, looking down onto my desk. That's why you can see the bottom of that on my boxes. And then you can, and all the drops of the iPad have been when the person who's filming me has dropped my iPad. So yeah, the person who is actually filming me kinda dropped my iPad onto the desk. She is lucky that she didn't get in the slime. Someone actually comes to my house to film a video, and you can actually get it on Film My Videos 568. That's the account. It ain't actually an account. She doesn't have an account. She's just my friend. Do you want your name said on YouTube? No, she says. She shaked her head and said no. Oh my gosh. No. Can you stop dropping my iPad, please? You know you're crazy. You know you're crazy. Yes, I done it! Hey. Oh my god, I want to design it. I made the bubble go down. Here. I've got a high bed, so that's why someone's filming from up above. And I actually get my hands free to play with the slime. Because normally, she don't come to my house to film. I have to film and put it on the floor, which I don't like doing. I can't play with my slime on the floor because it'll get all on my carpet. And I love making slime bubbles. So yeah, see you in part 2.